Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday video. This week I have a kind of just abstract design for you with a matte background with some buttercream on top. So I'll just show you how I went about doing this look. So starting off with the buttercream social butterfly. Using my number 4 bling brush from Elegance. I prefer the oval, but there is a flat as well. I'm just going to apply 2 coats of this buttercream onto the nail. And before I cure my second coat, I'm going to take the new Go Time colors In the Moment, which is a nice mint green, and Always a Bridesmaid, which is a pretty periwinkle blue. I'm just going to create a background, so with not a lot of product on my brush, I'm going to just kind of pull through some streaks and then coming in with a little bit more social butterfly and just making kind of a streaky blue and green background for me to do my design on. Once you're happy with the way that it looks, giving it a full 60-second cure. I'm then going to apply a coat of flat matte on top of this so that I have a matte background with my slightly shiny buttercream on top. And again, giving that a full cure. I like to do a 2-minute cure for my matte top coat. And once that's cured, I'm just gonna give that a quick cleanse with some after wipe. And then I'm gonna come in with the new Gator buttercream. And I'm going to use the stripy brush from the Selena Ride and Art brushes. And I'm just gonna start by drawing some sort of half circles, quarter circles, semicircles over the nail. And I am curing this for about 15-20 seconds between each kind of layer of circles that I do, just so that I don't smudge anything or move anything that I don't want to move. And I'm just gonna keep doing that over the whole nail, just kind of changing the direction that my kind of half circles, semicircles kind of go all the way up the nail until I'm happy with the way it looks. And then I'm gonna give that a full cure. I'm actually gonna over cure it so that my buttercream doesn't have much of a tacky layer and it stays shiny. So I'm gonna do a 2-minute cure for that. And then, as always, just giving that a quick wipe at the end just to make sure there's no dispersion layer at all. And then there you have it. So this is just kind of a fun, springy kind of feel to it, a little bit different abstract kind of look that you can get that's really quick and easy, but is very unique. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and thank you so much for always liking, sharing, and commenting on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.